Good morning, guys. Let's start a new chapter, refrigeration and air conditioning. Let's study about definition of refrigeration. Definition of refrigeration. Refrigeration means production and maintenance of low temperature inside a confined space. Means inside a specific space or volume with respect to hotter surroundings by spending some energy or work input to the system. Refrigeration means production at low temperature, production and maintenance of low temperature inside a confined space. Suppose this is a space, or we are maintaining low temperature with respect to surrounding. Means this temperature is higher and this temperature is lower. What we are doing in refrigeration, this this inside temperature, suppose this is 30 degrees centigrade and this is also 30, this is 40 degrees centigrade surrounding. What we are doing, we are decreasing this temperature, means we are decreasing temperature 30 to 20 degrees centigrade or 10 degrees centigrade. At this heat we are removing to the surrounding. This 10 degree or 10 20 degree heat difference is going outside. It will not automatically decrease its temperature. We have to input some energy. Suppose we are inputting some energy, means work. We are doing some work in this system. We are doing some work in this system so that this inside temperature decreases and this heat goes out to the surrounding. You have seen in the backside of the refrigeration some heating is throwing back to the air. That is what he is doing. He is throwing this inside heat to the outside. This temperature is required mostly for the storage of food. What this refrigeration, where its application to store food or commodity, even medical application. We are storing different type of medicines also in refrigerator or cooling lower temperature. You see now recently coronavirus, what she is saying, corona vaccine should be maintained at below minus 70 degrees centigrade in the storage like this. Why? Some medical application also you are using this refrigeration system. Any refrigeration system works according to the Clausius statement. You remember in the thermodynamic chapter, Clausius statement. What is the Clausius statement? Just see your note. This refrigeration system works upon the which statement? Clausius statement. And this is called, Clausius statement is called second law of thermodynamics, which state what is thing, this is statement which state heat will never flow from low temperature to high temperature. Heat never, this low temperature to high temperature never flow without any work. We are putting some work so that this temperature shifting to surrounding. What is meaning of air conditioning? What is the meaning of air conditioning? Air conditioning means control and maintenance of appropriate temperature and humidity levels. Humidity means moisture levels. Its meaning control and maintenance of appropriate temperature and humidity levels of atmospheric air in a closed environment for the sake of human comfort. It's not about the you are getting some cooling by, you are, suppose you are using air conditioning in your room. You have put it in the wall. This is the room. You have put it somewhere in the air conditioning. Its function not only its function is not only to maintain this temperature to 20 degrees centigrade, minus 20 degree plus 15 degrees centigrade, not like this. First condition is temperature to lower the temperature. Yes, you know everything. Second is to proper moisture levels will be there Suppose there is no water vapor present, how you can sustain? You can't sustain without only temperature. You have some humidity level also there, and proper air flow should be there. Suppose you have installed AC, and but this AC is not throwing properly air through to your room. सपोज ये जो ऐसे छोड़ रहा है आपका हवा बहुत धीरे धीरे छोड़ रहा है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा छोड़ रहा है, बहुत स्पीड छोड़ रहा है, क्या आप कंफर्टेबल रह सकते हो? कभी नहीं रह सकते, कभी नहीं रह सकते हो. तो एक कंटेंट, वन कंटेंट इज ह्यूमिडिटी एंड सेकेंड इज द फ्लो वेलोसिटी ऑफ द एयर कंडीशनिंग. इट शुड बी प्रॉपर वेलोसिटी, not much velocity or not low velocity. It should be proper velocity. And another is oxygen. And suppose you are install a AC, but there is no oxygen, proper oxygen is not maintained, then how can you sustain? You will obviously will die. So refrigeration means first temperature, proper humidity level, third oxygen, fourth velocity of the air. These are the four conditions for a good air conditioning system. Let's study about little bit about thermodynamic cycle. What is thermodynamic cycle? Thermodynamic cycle are two types. One is work producing cycle. Work producing cycle means by using this cycle you are getting some work, you are producing some work. Another is work absorbing cycle. Work absorbing cycle means to um, to rotate the cycle, to continue the cycle, you are inputting some work, you are input some work up so that it will cycle could be happen. But some cycles are work producing cycle. Which are work producing cycle? These are Otto cycle. Otto cycle you have studied in the CI engine, SI engine. Another is diesel cycle, Brayton cycle, Brayton cycle. Fourth one is Rankine cycle, Rankine cycle. This is used in thermal power plant. This is used in automobile. This is AC. We will study about it in later. And work absorbing cycle means VC, vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Vapor compression refrigeration cycle. Another is VAR, vapor absorption refrigeration cycle. Vapor absorption refrigeration cycle. Another is reversed Carnot cycle. This is also called Carnot. This is also called Carnot refrigeration and Carnot heat pump. Carnot heat pump. And fourth one is Bell-Coleman cycle. Bell-Coleman cycle. This is not used for AC. This is not for AC. This one is used for air refrigeration, aircraft refrigeration. This is used for aircraft refrigeration in aeroplane. This is used Bell-Coleman cycle. Efficiency of thermal efficiency of any heat engine cycle. Heat engine any heat engine cycle equal to what? Work done by heat supply, means net work done by heat supply. Q, heat symbol is Q, or you can write Qs minus Qr by Qs. Suppose this is source, we are supplying from source, we are supplying heat to heat engine. You are using heat engine na. Suppose you are supplying heat engine from source. What energy? Qs, and providing some, and heat engine work output is some work. Heat engine is producing some work na, and remaining heat rejected to sink. Sink is called lower temperature. This is lower temperature. Sink is lower temperature and source is high temperature. From high temperature we are providing some heat to heat engine, and heat engine producing some work, and remaining heat supplied to the lower temperature sink. QR. Q rejected, Q supplied. Net work means is this W. What W means? Qs minus W equal to QR. Qs minus W equal to QR. You write, let's see, W plus QR equal to Qs. You observe this one, this cycle, heat engine. Huh? You see, this is pointing to this direction, but these two directions are outside. These two directions are outside. So this summation equal to this one. These two summation equal to this one. So W plus QR equal to Qs. You understand? Similarly, thermal efficiency of Carnot reversible cycle. Only reversible equal to 1 minus TL by TH. For reversible cycle we are always dealing with temperature, but any cycle you can write this also in Q term. This is sink temperature. This is source temperature. Only for reversible cycle we are always providing this. You can write this equation 1 minus QR by Qs, or you can write 1 minus TL by TH. No problem about that. No problem. But for any cycle these two formula are valid. But for reversible cycle only this formula is valid. This formula is not valid for reversible cycle. You remember this one. This is high temperature. This is Q rejecting. Let's study about work absorbing cycle, refrigeration cycle. Refrigeration cycle means we are providing some work. But for heat engine cycle, you are this arrow is outside, means heat engine means work producing cycle, but refrigeration cycle means work absorbing cycle. This is low temperature. This is Q absorb. In refrigeration cycle, what happened? Heat flows from low temperature and we are providing some input, then heat rejected to high temperature. But what happened in heat engine cycle? What happened? हाई टेम्परेचर से हीट सप्लाइड होता है, फिर कुछ वर्क जनरेट होता है, फिर बाकी हीट रिजेक्टेड होता है कहाँ पे? लो टेम्परेचर पे. बस इसका उल्टा है. इसका ये एरो चेंज कर देना, ये एरो चेंज कर देना, ये एरो चेंज कर देना, बस दिस मीन्स रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल. दिस बस एरो अलग अलग कर देना मीन्स हीट इंजन साइकिल और रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल. डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया? बस एरो चेंज है और कुछ नहीं है. रेफ्रिजरेशन में क्या कर रहे हैं कि लो टेम्परेचर, मतलब ये हमारा रूम है, ये हमारा रूम है, ये सराउंडिंग है, ये सराउंडिंग है और ये हमारा रूम है. तो रूम से क्या करते हैं, हीट हम साइकिल जाता है, कुछ वर्क देते हैं, फिर ये वाला रूम से बाहर हमारा हीट सराउंडिंग को थ्रो होता है. यही सिस्टम है, बस और कुछ नहीं है. इसका रेफ्रिजरेशन का मेंटेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? टू मेंटेन लो टेम्परेचर। इसको लो टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करते हैं इन ए स्पेस एज कंपेयर टू हॉटर सराउंडिंग। मीन्स इसका टेम्परेचर लो होगा एज कंपेयर टू सराउंडिंग, इसलिए हम रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल को यूज करते हैं। रेफ्रिजरेशन यह है रेफ्रिजरेशन। COP मीन्स हम हीट इंजन को कहाँ पे किस में मेजर करते थे? थर्मल एफिशिएंसी पे, थर्मल एफिशिएंसी। बट यहाँ पे हम क्या मेजर करेंगे? COP। इसकी परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे, इसकी एफिशिएंसी देखते थे हीट इंजन में। बट जब रेफ्रिजरेशन पढ़ेंगे तब यहाँ पे हम एफिशिएंसी नहीं कैलकुलेट करते, यहाँ पे हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं इसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसे है। कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेशन। दिस लो टेम्परेचर Q absorbed by W इनपुट क्या होगा? Q ऑब्जर्व बाय W इनपुट क्या होगा? QR माइनस QS मीन्स Q रिजेक्टेड माइनस Q ऑब्जर्व। इन दोनों का समेशन क्या होगा? W प्लस Q ऑब्जर्व इक्वल टू QR। इन दोनों का एरो देखो, इन हो रहा है बट ये आउट हो रहा है, तो इन वालों को एक साइड में रखेंगे, आउट वालों को अलग साइड में रखेंगे। और W इक्वल टू QR माइनस Q ऑब्जर्व। बस इस W को यहाँ पे मैंने पुट कर दिया। ये हो गया हमारा कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेशन साइकिल फॉर रेफ्रिजरेशन। ये हीट पंप, लो टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइडिंग सम वर्क। अब COP ऑफ हीट पंप, इसकी हीट पंप क्या करेंगे? Q रिजेक्टेड बाय W इनपुट। इसमें क्या होता था रेफ्रिजरेशन में? Q ऑब्जर्व बाय W, इसमें बस हीट पंप में क्या होगा? QR बाय W। तो कैसे लिख सकते हैं? QR बाय QR माइनस Q ऑब्जर्व। This is the formula of coefficient of performance of heat pump.